KK, and I'm back with another video. I know I've been gone for a year, I think. I mean, nothing major. I was just away from my phone, not recording. But then sometimes when I do record, I never finish recording, so I just never post anything. But so today I'm doing a mukbang. So I'm just going to be doing a mukbang, just talking about anything. And this is what I am eating. It's like a seafood boil that I got from the store. It's a bag, and it comes with mussels, corn, potatoes, shrimps, and sausage. But I added more corn, and I added the eggs, and I added my own potatoes, which it come with potatoes, but I added my own. So, yeah. Here's K Ryan. Here, say hi. Come on this side, right here. Say hi. Hi. How old are you?
2.
2.
What's that?
What's what?
What's that?
A mussel.
Yeah, what's that?
You know what? Say corn.
Yeah, what's that?
Why do you keep asking what that is? I'm telling you what that is. No, her. Let me see. Want a piece of egg?
Egg.
Yeah, egg. Here. See, I don't like that corn with the strings and shit on it. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do more videos. It's just I be forgetting like half the time. When I do record, I never finish recording. But I've been good. Me and the kids been good. None of us got COVID, which is a good thing. And I hope y'all been safe. Well, what you want?
I won.
Want what?
I won.
You want the other one?
Yeah. I won.
Here. You're not even hungry. You just ate. Here.
Who's you?
Here. You break it for you? Here.
Mm.
You don't want that? You want this?
Yeah. It's good. Is it dead?
I just gave it to you. Look.
Oh, mommy.
Stop. Come from over there before you knock it down. So, I've just been working. Chilling. Taking care of my kiddos.
Mommy, look at that.
I don't even know what to talk about.
Mommy, it is.
But I am working on my body butter business.
Hey, you.
I'm just, buying stuff and, learning more about it. But yeah, that's what I'm working on.
No.
It's like body butter, but mainly like the body glow. It's body butter, but it's the kind that make your skin glow. That's the kind that I'm gonna be doing. And I'm gonna add other stuff too. Why are you messing with my food? You don't even know. Look, stop. You want that? Okay, I gotta peel it for you.
Oh, baby, do you?
Put it down. I'm gonna give you this one.
A bubble? You want to?
Tayron greedy, y'all. He had already ate. Here, boo boo. Don't put all that in your mouth like that. Don't do that. Leaking on me. But yeah, as of right now, it's just gonna be the body butters and the glow butter, and then I'm gonna start adding like lotion and oils and stuff like that. But yeah, that's what I'm working on.
Mommy, I'll be to do that.
But I'll let y'all know more about it.
Oh, man.
When I'm actually, get it all in order and in place.
Even though
Stop. Look, I gotta take that off. Chew it. Get off the table. Stop. Or sit back. So yeah.
Mommy always your pan teddy.
What in the world? Look, I gotta take that off. Stop. Here.
Hey, Mommy, what the man?
No, you can't. Look, I'm giving it to you. Stop. Look, you want this? You want sausage? Don't put all of it in your mouth. Bite it. Let me see. What is going on? What is it? Now check it out. Because you don't know what you're doing. Look, it has some stuff on it. Yeah, man. Stop.
I want one. Oh, Mommy really want a dog. Oh, mine did.
This boy is just eating up all my shrimp out of here.
Mommy.
Stop!
Mommy, you're the buckle.
What? He a character.
What?
You a character?
Yeah.
Wait, please. Here. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or anything, any type of videos you want me to do, please write in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And see you next time. Deuces!